Yo, what's poppin', yo? Alright, so today I'm going to fix my dirt bike. Cause like the carb is dirty and I gotta go and clean the carb. I'm trying to ride, man. And I haven't cleaned the carb. I was just too lazy. It's like a lot of work to do, so finally cleaning it. I'm gonna get to you when we're there. As you can see, got all my tools, got the socket. And this is just like a bunch of tools. Got the carb cleaner, my helmet. Yeah, man, about to get crazy. As you can see, got my baby right here. The carb cleaner, carb right there. Yeah, she don't start. Let me see. Yeah. Gotta clean this bit, and it got dirty gas in it. Let me see. Yeah, you see it? Dirty gas. It's been sitting for like 2 years. I wasn't allowed to ride it. My mom and my grandfather was scared, so they ain't let me ride it. And now it's all gummed up, and I gotta clean the car. So, got the carb. Look how dirty that is, man. Yeah, but all this stuff, what's it called, was coming out when I, like all this green stuff came out, so it's pretty gummed up. Oh, you saw that? Ugh, look at that. Oh my Jesus. Ugh. Yeah, all that green stuff just came out of this, and I finally got it off. Look at that. Terrible. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Dirty. Dirt Diana. Go get a breath, man. It's carb cleaner. I need to ask my grandfather if he has an old toothbrush. Yeah. Look at all that, too. The jets. Oh, my lordy. Look at that. Alright, so grandfather's cooking back there. But I got, oh, look at the ant. This, I got a toothbrush to clean and some toothpicks. Cleaning out this part right here. Got that clean. Oh my gosh. That was dirty. The inside clean right there. That's clean. About to clean this part right here. Important ass piece. And got some food. Got burgers, tomato, onion. A regular burger. And then this. My grandfather made it. I was done working on the bike. So it was like we was working together. He was grilling while I was working on the bike. So it's like a team effort, you feel me? We the Avengers. Got it all cleaned up. Now I'm putting the car back together. I'm gonna get to you when we try and get this beauty started. Gotta put the gas. Gotta put the gas up in this. Yeah. Wait. That's the right gas?
That's the right.
Alright, ready? Let's see if this beauty start working. Yeah.
You know I can see.
Because the camera's pointing at me. Alright, let's see if this starts. Make sure everything's alright. Gas on. Choke on. Here we go.
Looks like it's on wrong, doesn't it?
Huh?
Looks like it's on backwards.
What is?
Yeah, man.
No. This is how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Alrighty. Oh shit. Oh man, bruh. She broke down on me. She broke down, guys. I don't know what happened. It's probably the air intake. She's in the garage right there. It's probably the air intake to clean the carb. I don't know what it could be. So I'm gonna clean the air intake. And then, not today though. It's so much work. Damn. But hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Deuces.